Alright, this is box number 62. The Mojo box. Time for a Legends auto or something down that line. Be nice if it was a 5. That's what I'm pulling for. Oh, this is a platinum box. So all of these are number 2, $9.99. So I'm not gonna go over those. Matt Ryan blue, 41 of 100. This is mirror. Hold on, this platinum. Hayward Bay, Eddie Royal, Gerald McCoy, 312 of 349. Oh, I'm sorry, Colt McCoy, rookie autograph. Alright. And Flacco, Williams, and Jennings, $9.99. Harvin Red, certified potential of Jonathan Dwyer, 25 of 9.99. Randy Moss blue, 100, number 11. Winslow and Eli, out of 9.99. Brent Selleck, Kyle Orton, Jonathan Stewart, Thomason, and Shockey. And Len Dawson, I'm guessing this is a patch. It's a 450. Yeah, that's a patch. Len Dawson, one color patch. Got a lot of red on there, but who knows what that is. Barber, Max Hall, New Generations, $9.99, 307. Donovan McNabb to 100. Brett Favre and Noshawn Moreno. Mendenhall, Witten, Joe Montana out of 250, 110 of 250, red jersey. I think that's the second one of those. Look at that rolled up on the back. I mean, that's nasty. Vernon Davis, that is. Devin Hester and Ray Rice out of 9.99. Drew Brees and Nate Burleson. Fitzgerald and Avery, and then we have a gold. I'm guessing gold. Hushmanzada out of 10, number 8 of 10. Brandon Lloyd, Matt Ryan, and Rod Smith, 24 of 25 patch. Oh, autograph. Jersey autograph out of 10. No, 25. What I'm talking about. 24 of 25. Put that there. Manning, Vincent Jackson, and Chad Henne, $9.99. Bo Scaife, Gold Team of Wes Welker, out of 9.99. And Scaife, Flacco out of 100, 67 of 100. Sproles, Fitzgerald, Fitzpatrick, and Scaife. And the last platinum pack. Pettigrew, Sean Williams, Stephen Williams, New Generation, $9.99, 283. And look at that, rolled up again. I mean, that's bad. Man, that's bad. That's James Laurinaitis, and Arian Foster, $9.99. Alright, that's it for that. They got 2 boxes left, and see what happens then.